Word mother, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Just sing to the left, sing to the right. Make it feel good, make it feel alright. One time, feel good, yeah, y'all.
This is my bike jack. I'm running a Failure Maniac seat with a BSD seat post. I like that seat because it's just fat and red and comfy. Running Odyssey keypad bars, limited edition from Hobson's with Odyssey and brake lever, pretty smooth cable and lever to run. Running a vocal gyro from Hobson's, a vocal set with Odyssey cables. BSD stem. I like this because it's strong and it can support whatever you do on it. Frame. I like this frame. Total BMX Ballsman. I like it. It's light, looks nice, it's big, and it's light. I've said light.
I don't know.
I'm running profile cranks. I like these because they're strong and they look nice and they're quite pure. Conley pedals. I like these because do it for yourself. Smooth to run as well. Wheels. Oh yeah, we're running ODI grit, ODIOs in black. It's comfy. Running Odyssey tyres with Odyssey 7K rim, made by Hobson's, best wheel makers going. Odyssey spokes, Odyssey nipples, and BSD hub set. I'm running, what else have I done? Conley pegs, Conley hub guards, and Total BMX Guy Fawkes. And what else have I done? Rocket. Let's see. Profile. Demolition calipers. Diamondback brake pads. They're quite smooth to run. Profile chain. And that's it, that's my bike here.